This is example 2 of lesson 2.1, variables and expressions. I got it that time. And our task is to write a phrase for each algebraic expression. So that's just asking us, how would we read this out loud? Don't overcomplicate it. How would I read this out loud? So let's do this. I have this here, and there's a couple of ways I can do it. I can do 12 plus t. I can do the sum of 12 and t. Or I could do, and there could be more, I could do 12 increased by t. Okay? 12 plus t, the sum of 12 and t, and 12 increased by t. And the reason I did 12 first and then t after is just because that's what it looks like in the expression. It does not matter if I do t plus 12 because of the commutative property. Same thing. Now, 8x. We know that when you have a number and a letter that are squished up next to each other like that, that means to multiply. So this could be written as 8EIGHT times x. It could be written as the product of 8 and x. And I think that's really about it. I could write 8x times or x 8 times, but I think I'm good with those two. 8 times x, or the product of 8 and x. And lastly, we've got this one here, which I can write in a couple of ways. I can write it as u minus 5, or I can write it as u decreased by 5. Or lastly, like I have over here, the difference of u and 5. And I apologize for my sloppy handwriting on the computer, but I'm trying to write fast here and it's not easy. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ways to write 3 different expressions. They are expressions because they don't have an equal sign. And that's example 2.